Hello my automotive friends, I am Layla and I'm here to share to you guys my story on why I have bought my first car and the reason behind this purchase. Firstly, there is a lot of history when it comes to a Mini. This is my father's 1981 Mini producing 85 horsepower, and yes, it wasn't the fastest but a very lovable vehicle to own. My father gifted it to me at the age of 21. I immediately got to work on restoring her and making her new. But it's time to do my very first purchase. I must say I have been looking for a couple of weeks now. My heart really wants a Mini Cooper S, but I am open to other little cars. I thought this will be easy, but let's continue the hunt, my friends. There is always a car for everyone, or so I believe. After nearly a month of hunting, I came across a very neat vehicle. Low mileage. Lady owned. Full service history. I couldn't ask for a perfect purchase. It has all the bells and whistles that I was looking for. Friends. Without a further ado, let me introduce Layla 01. This is my 2013 Mini John Cooper Works GP with only 3,050 miles on the clock. Quick facts about my car. 210 horsepower. Only 2 seats. Was the fastest Mini Cooper back in 2013. The aim of my purchase was to get a fun pocket rocket that represents my family's history. So friends, be honest, do you like her or do you think I made a mistake? But keep in mind I'm planning to do some mods on her. I just love the way she sounds. Let's go for a test drive, friends. For stock performance she is not bad, but I can feel my body is already desiring a Stage 2 Plus. I feel like most turbo vehicles are kept back with their stock performance. Let me do a 0 to 100 pull and see how does stock perform on the street. Not bad at all, 6.6 seconds, and keep in mind we climbing a uphill. After nearly 2 months of driving stock, I decided to do my ultimate plan of boosting her up. Thanks to RX Tech for the help. Here is Ryan, the owner of RX Tech. He will explain what was done.
Thank you, Layla. Welcome to RX Tech Tuning, where we do all modifications on vehicles. With Layla's Mini Cooper, we decided to end up going Stage 2 Plus, as this is a safe perimeter for her gearbox and the engine itself. The car came in slightly underpowered, doing 185 horsepower instead of 210 horsepower, but because the car is 11 years old, this is normal. The mods list is as follow: Stage 2 Plus, Hybrid Turbo, Bigger Front Mount Intercooler, Revo Cold Air, Meth kit, and rims with arc coilovers. The car did well on the dyno. She is producing 340 horsepower now.
The car definitely sounds louder, and I can feel the car feels more smooth, but Ryan did mention that under hard acceleration I will experience traction problems.
In 400 meters, turn left. Turn left.
Oh my word, she is a beast. Now haha, I'm in need of grip. I'm super impressed. She's like a pocket rocket, haha. I always wanted to burn some rubber. Thank you for watching my first purchase. Please like and subscribe for more vehicle content.